The story of Bob the Blob. There once was a blob, his name was Bob. He was a very nice blob with a very good job. He would change his shape in 2 seconds flat to a dog or a cat or even a hat. Bob could dance, Bob could sing, Bob would even entertain the king. With all the success that had come to Bob, Bob always cried because he was only a blob. Bob's friends asked him why Bob was so sad. With all his success, you'd think he'd be glad. But Bob wasn't liked for just being Bob. His friends only cheered when he changed from a blob. He felt so unloved, so created new shapes, a donkey, a lion, and even an ape. His friends cheered some more for the ever-changing Bob, but then came the silence as Bob turned back to a blob. Bob asked his friends why they didn't like him as a blob, why they couldn't accept that this is just Bob. The shapes, the act, this is all for a show. The real Bob is the one you should get to know. The real Bob is kind and not just a face, a real credit to the blobberly race. You should meet him, get to know him, the unchanged Bob. So Bob's friends vowed to spend more time with plain Bob. They soon came to realise appearance doesn't matter. It's what's on the inside and not just the wrapper. When the wrappers pull back, we are all just the same. A warm, kind-hearted soul, much more than a name. Bob's friends now all know, don't judge a book by its cover, especially when that book could be a blob undercover. A funny, friendly blob that can bend or can fold, a blob that's named Bob with a heart of gold. The end.